Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV or Excel file into Google Forms. Whether you're managing surveys, collecting data from multiple sources, or simply want to streamline your workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Drive and go to the New button in the top left corner. Once you're there, click File Upload. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Locate the Excel or CSV file on your computer that you want to convert and upload it to your drive. After the upload completes, find the file in your drive, but instead of opening it directly, choose Open with Google Sheets. This ensures compatibility and allows you to edit your data easily within Google's ecosystem. Next, click on the File tab in Google Sheets and select Save as Google Sheets. This step integrates your file fully into Google's format, making it easier to work with when creating your form. Once your spreadsheet is ready, go back to your Google Drive home, click New again, and this time select Google Forms. A new tab will open. Choose Blank Form to start fresh. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your spreadsheet is clean, with each question and answer clearly organized. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent errors when importing your data. With your form open, give it a name by clicking on the top left corner where it says Untitled Form, then start adding questions by referring back to your spreadsheet. Once all questions are added, click Publish to make your form ready for sharing. Then, go to Responses. Click More Options, and select Choose Destination for responses. Here, select Existing Spreadsheet and link it to the Google Sheet you saved earlier. Finally, click Select, and your form will be connected automatically. You can click View in Sheets to ensure everything is correctly set up. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert a CSV or Excel file into a functional Google form seamlessly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might benefit. Why not make someone's day easier?